Hi, welcome to this playlist, which covers the JSON format in Golang. In this video, we are going to discover the first method to read and write JSON data. JSON is a very popular text-based format designed to be an easy and light way to pass information between JavaScript systems. The encoding/JSON package offers the encode and decode functions which allow the conversion of a Go object into a JSON document and vice versa. In this topic, you will learn how to read a JSON data from file. So, first we define the structure variable that are going to keep the JSON data. It's a very simple structure for person data that contains first name, last name, and many accounts for that person. Here we define a new function named load from JSON that is used for decoding the data of a JSON file according to a data structure that is given as the second argument to it. We first call the JSON.newDecoder function from the encoding/JSON package to create a new JSON decode variable that is associated with a file. And then we call decode function for actually decoding the content of the file and putting them into the desired variable. Okay, to be able to call this function, first we need the file name that is taken as argument from command line. Then the address of the user, which represents a new instance of the structure of the wanted data. Next, we have to print out if there are some errors, otherwise the program will print the decoded data. The content of readme.json file is exactly the same structure as the last one defined previously in our code. Now let's execute this program. Open up the terminal. Well, go run main.go, and the file is readme.json. Good. That's the wanted data from this JSON file. Moving now to see how to write JSON data. We're still working on the same structure variables. The save.json function does all the work for us as it creates a JSON encoder variable named encode.json, which is associated with a file name, which is where the data is going to be put. The call to encode is what saves the data into the desired file after encoding it. In the main function, as you see, we define a structure variable that holds the data that we want to save in the JSON format using the save.json function. As we create a new file called save.me.json, the data will be saved into this file. Now let's execute the implementation of writing JSON data. Okay, there are new file here contain exactly the expected data. If you want to play with these implementations, check out the link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.